Hello friends. Hello friends. I am Vaibhavi, your teacher, and today we are going to learn about managerial economic meaning, nature, scope. Managerial economics is a branch of economics that applies economic theory, concepts, and tools to analyze and solve managerial problems in business decision making. Here's a breakdown of its meaning, nature, and scope. Meaning: managerial economics, also known as business economics, is concerned with the application of economic principles and methodology to various aspects of managerial decision making. Within organization, it focuses on how managers can use economic analysis to make optimal decisions in the face of construction constraints and uncertainties to achieve the organizational goal. Nature: interdisciplinary. Managerial economics draw upon principles from economics, mathematics, statistics, and other disciplines to analyze managerial issues. Practical orientation: it emphasizes a real-world application and problem-solving techniques that are relevant to managers in business setting. Normative and positive analysis. Managerial economics involves both normative analysis, which deals with prescribing what action should be taken, and positive analysis, which describes and explains economic phenomena. Microeconomic foundation: it is firmly rooted in macroeconomic theory, focusing on the behavior of individual firms and consumers within market. Decision focused: the primary focus in is on providing insight and tools to aid managerial decision making, such as pricing, production, investment, and resource allocation decisions. Dynamic: managerial economics adapts to changing business environments and incorporate new economic theories, techniques, and methodologies to address involving managerial challenges. Scope: the scope of managerial economics encompasses various areas of business management, including but not limited to: 1. Demand analysis and forecasting, analyzing consumer behavior, market demand, and forecasting future demand for products and services. Production and cost analysis, examine production process, input costs, economies of scale, and cost minimization strategies. 3. Market structure and pricing, studying different market structures, for example, perfect competition, monopoly, oligopoly, etc., and determining optimal pricing strategies. 4. Risk and uncertainty analysis, assigning risk, uncertainties, and decision making under conditions of uncertainty. 5. Capital budgeting and investment analysis, evaluating investment opportunities, capital budgeting decisions, and assigning the financial viability of projects. 6. Game theory and strategic decision making, using game theory to analyze strategic interaction, competitive dynamic, and decision making in strategic context. 7. Regulatory and policy analysis, assessing the impact of government regulation, policy, and macroeconomic factors on business operations and decision making. 8. Resource allocation and optimization. Allocation scarce resource efficiently across different activities, projects and departments to maximize organizational performance and achieve strategic objectives. In summary, managerial economics provides a comprehensive framework for integrating economic theory with managerial decision-making process, enabling managers to analyze complex business problems, make informed choice, and achieve organizational goals effectively. Thus, today we learn about its sector, managerial economy, scope, nature. Hope you understood concept of managerial economy, nature, scope, etc. Thank you.